Hi, this is Haoran Wang. I partner with Qilin Zeng to finish the assignment 1 of sudoku. I'll give you a brief introduction to our project. What are the layouts, the designs, and how our website handles mobile page rendering. So now let's jump right into it. As you can see, we are now on the home page. Our homepage is very concise, and it's just our the big game title and the two buttons. We chose black and white color palette because it resembles chess, and it gives a very elegant and classy vibe. Because we want to stand out from the existing Sudoku game UIs. When we click Learn Rules, it jumps to the Rules section where we use two cards to display the essentials and the credit. Um, Jumping to selections part. In this page, you can choose a game mode you want to play. Everything here is fake data, fake names. So when the user hover on any tile, the background color change, the text color change. We added this visual effect to give users a more interactive experience. The users clearly know they where they are and what they are going to choose. And when they click on the mode tile, any tile will lead to the hard game page. The hard game page is just very standard Sudoku game tiles. It's a 9 by 9 grid, square grid, and there's a fake timer here. Users can either click buttons to input, or they can type the number they want. For the easy game mode, it's pretty much the same with just a 6x6 version of the grid. High score sections. As you can see, the high score sections displays the top 5 players of the game. It shows their ranking, their username, how many games they completed, and their favorite mode. And we use gradient color to signify the top players. As you go up in the rank, your color will be darker and more catchy to the eye. The login and register page are very standard. The password sections are hidden, of course. Usernames, when they're creating an account, is pretty standard as well. Now, I would like to show you how would our application fits into a smaller mobile device screen size. So let's go to inspect. Going to the home page, you see the buttons and titles are perfectly arranged in the mobile size of an iPhone 12 Pro. Everything is more condensed here. One significant improvement we added was the menu section. There are 8 buttons in the navbar, and we can't just randomly stack them up in the navbar because it will make it look horrible. So how we approach it is we collapse them into a single button with drop down selections, so users can choose still use the buttons but with a smaller size display. So the other thing we used is we changed the alignment of items and cards. As you can see, the selection parts, everything were aligned horizontally before, and now they were aligned vertically. Similar things for rules, and everything is more condensed here. Yeah, thanks for listening.